Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be all about hairstyles. So I'm not a very big fan of doing my hair or those complicated hairstyles. Whenever I feel like doing something to my hair, I just do one of these, and it takes only 2 to 3 minutes and I'm good to go. So you don't need much, but just these hair clips, these tic tac hair clips. You can also go for bobby pins, but I feel like they keep my hair in place for a longer time. So for the first one, you need to part your hair from the center and take this section that is along your hairline, just a thinner section from the front. Comb them really nicely. Twist it for about 5 to 6 times and take it at the back, push it forward a little bit forward and pin it at that place. Secure it with a pin. Now you can totally leave it till here, but I am doing just the same thing on the other side. Third day washed, so yeah. So here's your first hairstyle. Really simple, really elegant, perfect for every day. Now for the second one, you need to change your parting from center to side. You can totally go for another side, that's completely your choice. Now what you need to do is take a small section along the hair parting, not a very big one, neither a very small one, just the medium one, and twist it for around 10 to 12 times and pin it at the back. Make sure you twist it really tightly. So repeat the same step for around 3 to 4 times and you're good to go. So I like my hair to be second or third day wash whenever I do my hair, because when I do my hair on the same day when I wash them, they become really silky and soft and not tend to be in place for a very longer time. So yeah, I prefer them to be second or third day wash. And a natural kind of a shine comes to the hair when they become a little bit greasy when it is 2 to 3 days when you washed your hair. So yeah, here is your second hairstyle. Really easy. So for the third one, you need to take the crown section of your hair and pin them at the back. take this section along your hairline, take the thinner section just you did in the first one, and just comb it towards the opposite side. And take it in the same direction and pin it there. You need to twist it once and pin it in the opposite side. Now just do the same thing on the other side. These hairstyles are really easy, not very time consuming, very great for whenever you are running late for office or college, or even for parties. If you add any kind of hair accessories, they are very nice for parties as well. So here is your third hairstyle. So for the last and the final one, what you need to do is take this much of the section of your hair and comb them really nicely. Basically you need to make a puff, but without twisting your hair, because if you twist your hair, if you twist your section like when you make a puff, so usually it ruins the shape of the puff if you don't do it correctly. So yeah, your hair need to be a little bit of greasy, or you can apply a kind hair oil or a hair serum or a styling gel or something like that if you don't want them to be greasy. So yeah, take that section and push them a little bit upward and pin them there. So here you go. You can also pin your hair from the side to take it on the other side. So yeah, this is the final hairstyle. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one. If you liked it, then please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and make sure you hit that bell icon so that you don't miss up on any of the further updates. I will see you in the next one. Bye.